Amani channel. This is Video Fearless. What? Alright, so this video is going to be a little bit different because I have with me a Smove. You can find it at smove.com. I'm not a sponsor. I'm not getting paid for this. My wife actually got this for me for my birthday and I haven't opened it until now. So it's a little bit past July 22nd. But anyways, I have a couple of cameras going. So I have my webcam and my Canon little camcorder going. So the camcorder is grabbing the open box, and this video is where I talk to you. All right, just to set that up. And I will say that I already did this. I already opened it, but there was some technical difficulty. Definitely I'm recording, so I wouldn't recommend you come in here in that state. So I'm doing it again for you. I just boxed it back up, and actually I realized I didn't open the whole thing. So this is a 3 gimbal stabilizer. It's pretty affordable. This is probably like a consumer or prosumer grade gimbal. It's not really like the Zune or anything like that, if you're familiar with those that brand. But you can find the box says Get Pro Mobile, so maybe that was another brand that the company bought or something like that before they changed the name. But should be pretty cool. So I'm gonna open the box for you here. This is what you get when you get the Smove. You get the 3-axis gimbal is here. There's a little USB cord. There's a little weight at the bottom, and there's a small manual. All right, so this is like a little 7-page multi-fold manual. So that's what you get when you get it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and basically jimmy this out of here. How do I grab it here? All right. It's sitting in a nice foam housing here, and this is it. All right, so once you power it on, which I assume I have to charge it up, the foam will sit here, or it can do it like this, or it can shoot like this, I guess. And the idea is to shoot steady, stable shots with your iPhone. So that's what it's for. And this, I think this extends. Oh, but before I get into that, I think there's more. All right, so I'm gonna open this also. This is probably the carrying case that's in here too. All right, and then there's a carrying case, a nice little carrying case for it, so you can, use it on the go and not worrying about banging it up. All right, so that's what comes with it. I think there's something in the bag too. I'm gonna unzip this bag for you. All right. There's also some balancing pins and some sort of bracket here. All right, you get some balancing, some sort of pins, and a bracket as well. All right, so I'll see what's up with these accessories, and that's all that's in the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this up, and hopefully real soon you will see it in action. Amani channel, Get Video Fearless. Peace.